Hi, and thank you for watching our video presented to you by Financial Education 101. Today we will talk about the basics of financial education. Financial education involves learning about financial concepts, tools, and strategies that can help individuals make informed decisions about their personal finances. Some basic terms that are commonly covered in financial education include budget, credit, debt, saving, investing, and risk. First, a budget is a plan for managing your income and expenses over a specific period of time. It helps you track your spending and identify areas where you can save money. Second, credit is a financial tool that allows individuals to borrow money or access other financial resources, such as loans or credit cards, to make purchases or pay for expenses. Debt is money that is owed to someone else, usually in the form of a loan. Debt can be useful in certain situations, but it can also become a burden if it is not managed properly. Third, saving versus investing. Saving is the process of setting aside a portion of your income for future needs or goals, such as retirement or a down payment on a house. Investing is the process of putting money into financial instruments or assets with the goal of earning a return on your investment. This can include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Lastly, risk is the potential for loss or harm associated with a particular financial decision or investment. Understanding and managing risk is an important part of financial planning. I hope you learned something valuable today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.